up in Goodwill to see what I can find. I found a lot of good stuff. I'll show y'all in a second. So my cousin is on his way in town, and I need to figure out what I'm about to wear. I still need to flat iron my hair. I washed it and blow dried it yesterday, but I need to flat iron my hair and figure out where we're about to go tonight. And of course, I'm taking y'all with me. So let's get started. When I tell y'all I was so in a rush last night that I couldn't even film for y'all, I had to literally just hurry up, flat iron my hair, and put on some clothes because literally my cousin pulled up at my house and I wasn't even ready yet. Then he gonna tell his fiance, I told you she wasn't gonna be ready yet. Boy, don't tell all my business. On another note, my flat iron look good as hell. It look good.
This is to me. To me and all mine. It's the bus down for me. I see it all. Once you lock on to this face, it's nothing out. I'm surprised you don't eat sweet potato fries.
I do.
They don't eat the sweet potato, baked potato.
Y'all want huh?
I'm fine.
They truffle fries.
Like we really hate them.
I had Chipotle barbecue wings. Chipotle barbecue wings.
Damn, we ride.
These truffle fries are fire.
Oh my god, do you have the Osmo thing?
Uh-huh.
Love that.
Me too. Thank you.
I've been thinking if I should spend the money on it. I just don't know what I'd use it for.
Yes. Do you want to see how crystal clear you look in it?
Well, my best friend has it, and we like every time we go out, we just like joke around, make videos or whatever. It's not like it goes anywhere, but it's like it's fine.
It's good quality.
I like how it like does the facial tracking.
Yes,
like,
follows you everywhere.
It just moves with it. I'm like,
Four boxes?
Let me see. I'm gonna see if Domino's got one. Baby, let me love you. So, my cousin had to use the bathroom, so we had to literally run to the hotel across the street from the liquor store that we was at, so that we can take care of the bathroom emergency. I don't know, like, it's been wild and outrageous, but I don't know. We're
Y'all
back,
get me calling
cousin.
y'all ass. I can't get in the damn phone.
don't burn how it appears. This true, you could make me melt. But don't you forget it if the person.
Tune in next week for episode 8. Same time, same channel. Bye, buds.
I know you ain't a drug